Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the CASIO Vintage watch model A1000MGA-5EF. Let's get started. In 1974, the Japanese company CASIO set a milestone in the history of watches by developing one of the world's first digital wristwatches. Why is CASIO Vintage so popular? These watches are designed to withstand extreme conditions, making them the go-to choice for outdoor enthusiasts, athletes, and those with demanding lifestyles. CASIO watches are built to last, and their reputation for reliability has solidified their popularity. This CASIO Vintage has a beautifully finished gold-colored stainless steel model with gold-colored Milanese bracelet. The case is made of solid stainless steel and in addition to scratch-resistant mineral glass. The battery can last up to 3 years. The weight of this model is 70 grams. The watch can withstand minor exposure to water, such as accidental splashes or rain, but it is not designed for activities involving immersion or prolonged water exposure. It's essential to avoid submerging a splash-resistant watch in water to maintain its functionality and prevent potential damage. CASIO Vintage watches are not large. The case of this watch is 38 mm. All A1000 models benefit from practical features such as a stopwatch, alarm and automatic calendar function. Digital time display can be configured to either 12-hour or 24-hour format. This model has an LED light. My wrist size is 17 centimeters or 6.6 inches. How do you like this watch, and how would you rate it from 1 to 10? Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.